So last time I was out messing around, having fun in the f-zomb50, this happened.
Oh, man, steering went out again.
Yeah, power steering went out, and now the truck's being a whiny little bitch. So I'm going to take care of that, and I'm going to take you along for the ride of fixing the power steering pump. Alright, so in that last clip you've seen how you've seen the power steering pump whining. As the power steering system warms up, the whining gets a lot worse, and it gets to a point where I got zero power steering and the bell just squeals on the pulley. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to flush the system. We got to get all the oil fluid out. I want to make sure I got fresh fluid in the steering gear. So to do that, I'm going to go through the process of flushing that out. Then we're going to pull the pump off. The new pump does not come with a reservoir, so we're going to swap the reservoir from the old pump onto the new pump. And then I'm going to install a larger cooler with an inline filter. And then fill the system up, bleed it out, and hopefully everything will work great. And then the next video, it could actually be off-road playing with the truck. So I guess it's time to get the hands dirty. So I got my wheels off the ground. And I'm going to just turn the steering wheel stop to stop to pump the fluid out. I'm going to go a few turns each direction, and then I'm going to add some new fluid. Hey, let's see if there's a difference if you try power flushing it. By that I mean, let's start the engine and turn it to see what happens. Apparently you make a mess. Let's just loosen these 3 nuts. Loosen off the adjuster. You can see the slack starting to go in the belt. Kind of like this setup, it's kind of cool. Well, she does while I was still hooked up, but I didn't. It's alright. Get the high pressure off.
turn line off. See the shaft. Oh, it's starting to pull right off the shaft. Like I said, it would have been a lot easier if I did this while I was on the truck, because the brackets would hold the pump still. I don't want to be fighting it. She's almost off now. There it is. There. For your 3Fs. Fluid flush filter. That's the key to a long-lasting pump, I suppose. Oh! Felt that. Well, that thing started to get all musical on me. Oh, man. Fun of hammers. Stretch it on. You want to also come with like a little gasket. Goes on the back. Stretch it on. You want to also come with like a little gasket. Goes on the back. So I'm pretty sure this piece of metal they had painted blue has something to do with getting your reservoir and your pump oriented properly. I'm tired of fucking with it, so I'm just cranking the shit back together. I'm gonna put it back in the truck so I can play with this motherfucker. We should put the pump back in. start cranking on the adjuster bolt here until I get some. I just look down my pulleys and see if they look straight, and looks pretty straight to me. So that pretty much does it for the installation of the pump. Only thing we got left to do is our return line, which is here. So the fluid comes out of the box through here, and we're going to run it, replace this little fucker with a bigger fucker. And as I go around, that just hooks to the back of the reservoir down here. No. Guys, I have to wait till for the next part of the video because it's dark and cold and I'm hungry. So, fuck it. I'm swearing a lot at this point because I'm tired of working on this son of a bitch. When I started, it was 50 fucking degrees outside. And the winter decided to hit. And now it's just cold and snowy. And I'm working on this truck in the cold because I don't have a garage big enough to fit this damn thing in. So now I'm just cold and bitter. Now I'm rambling. So I'm going to shut this son of a bitch off and go get some food in me. And then come back at it tomorrow when I got some daylight. And finish this motherfucker up. Fuck. I don't give a fuck. I'm not monetized, dude. I don't see myself getting monetized. I got all goddamn 9 subscribers right now, so I don't care. I'm cold, hungry.